Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be planting some courgette. So we're going to be planting some cucurbita maxima. I gotta say that quick because I don't mess it up. Cucurbita maxima, something like that. But this is a squash, and then we've got some all green courgettes. But we've already got spots for them, so all we need to do is dig the holes, which I'm going to use with my fork. And I'm just going to do that quickly. So you can see the leaves on the squash are starting to go a bit yellow, and you can see a little bit of tint on the courgettes as well. And this is because all the nutrients has gone from the pot. So we need to get these in the ground now that the chance of frost has gone. So I'm just going to continue to go. It's pretty easy to do it with my hands, to be fair, because the soil's soft enough. Right, how big is this pot? It's quite big. I might need to use the fork just to loosen up the ground. So we've got the hole dug, and I'm just going to measure it. So yeah, that's good. So we're going to take the little label out, and then we're going to squeeze it a little bit. Then in theory, all we should have to do is pull this out. So you can see the roots on it are starting to develop quite nicely. But they're starting to run out of nutrients, or they have run out of nutrients, so we need to get these in the ground. So I'm just going to fill back in the hole. So you might remember last year we built a frame for our squashes. So we're gonna do that probably this year, but we'll monitor their growth. So we're gonna get some of the other plants in, and then we'll be back. We're gonna dig some holes, and then we're gonna plant them. So we'll be back shortly. So we've got one of our cucurbita maxima in, otherwise known as squashes, if we don't want to say cucurbita maxima. But yeah, so we've got 3 all green courgette plants to go in, and then cucurbita maxima. See, it's even hard to pronounce when you're going quick because you don't want to mispronounce it. So we've got all the pots though, so I'm just gonna go and get the cucurbita maxima in. So as before, I'm just gonna squash the thing around. Squash. And so I'm just gonna backfill. There's our all green, not all green. There's our other cucurbita maxima in. So let's get our all green courgettes in. So we've got the holes dug for this one, and this one should, in theory, just hopefully pop out. So you can see the roots on this one are well established as well. So I might just we'll just do that, and then I'll just backfill a little bit. So I'll put this label in so you know what it is. That's what we've learnt from last year. Label your stuff. Just move it a little bit. Right. So this one, we're just gonna squish this one as well. So the roots on this one are a little bit not as well developed. So I'll put that in there. Lift that up. So at the end of last year's growing year, we put some feed in. So at the end of last year's season, we put some organic manure in. So this year we have really good soil, which is why we're able to do this. Because it would be a lot harder to do if we didn't put the organic manure in. So I'm gonna get this one out. So this one you can see is slightly well established than the one before. So I'm just gonna break up the roots a little bit. Put that in. squash that down. Put the thing in. So now all we need to do is water it in, and I've already got the hose up here. So someone's gonna go down the water. My dad will go down to the bottom, and I'll water. So I'm just watering in all the plants. So as you can see, we're putting a lot of water on, and even though it's been quite raining recently, they've been in the greenhouse, and so they need a good drink. So that's what we're giving them now. But yeah, so we've given them water now. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoy. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, hit that notification bell. There's a video down below, so go check that out. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.